non-formal education, non-formal learning brief.
To the municipality, and we're going to meet the mayor, and we are very excited about that.
I hope I can give you my idea, what I think. I don't know how to tell you, but I think you need to knock everybody. I need you. I need you participate on our life, in all the countries. We must live in democracy, and we must build democracy, because democracy doesn't burn for himself. We have to build democracy. So we need you to do that. And we must begin in our place, in our work, in our school, in our house. Okay? So I think you are one example. You are one example. Because you want to discuss. You want to open other ways, and that we have to